Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is another video that I've done on the top 5 affiliate marketing mistakes and how you can avoid them with the MAP or Master Affiliate Profits program. And any resources will be in the description. There's a blog post and some other resources where if you're interested in learning more about MAP or Master Affiliate Profits, you can get access to the resources in the description. Plus there's a free report down there. So anyway, let's go watch that video and then I'll be back.
Hey there, future affiliate marketing rock stars. Today we're about to dive into a topic that's going to make you a whole lot of cash. We're talking about the top 5 mistakes that could be holding you back from raking in those sweet affiliate commissions. But don't worry, we're not just going to point out the problems, we're going to give you the solutions, the secrets, the cheat codes, whatever you want to call them, to crush it in the affiliate marketing game. Let's get started and make sure you don't fall into these common traps. This first mistake is a big one, guys. Picking the wrong niche is like trying to sell ice to an Eskimo. It's just not going to work. Find a niche that gets you fired up, something you're passionate about. When you're passionate, it shows. But passion alone isn't enough. You got to make sure there's money to be made. Do your research, see what's hot, and what products are flying off the virtual shelves. Alright, so you've found your perfect niche, you're pumped, you're ready to start making it rain affiliate commissions. But hold up. Mistake number 2 is ignoring SEO. SEO is the magic ingredient that makes your content visible. It's like baking a cake and forgetting the sugar. It might look like a cake, but it'll taste bland. SEO ensures your content shows up in searches. More visibility means more clicks and conversions. Pick one SEO strategy this week and take action. Chapter 3. Not building an email list. You're missing out on repeat customers. Let's talk about mistake number 3. And this one's a real heartbreaker. Not building an email list. Imagine this. You spend all this time and effort creating amazing content, driving traffic to your website, and promoting killer affiliate products. You manage to get a few sales, maybe even a bunch, and you're feeling pretty good. But then what? Those customers buy the product and they're gone, vanished into the internet abyss. That's where email marketing comes in. Building an email list is like creating your own goldmine of potential customers. Start building your list today, because the sooner you start, the sooner you can start reaping the rewards. Chapter 4. Promoting too many products. Don't be a jack of all trades. This one's easy to fall into. Promoting too many products. It's like juggling, right? You can only keep so many balls in the air before you drop one. The same goes for affiliate marketing. If you're promoting 1 million different products, you're not going to be able to give any of them the attention they deserve. Instead of spreading yourself thin, focus on a select few high-quality products that you genuinely believe in. Pick products that align with your niche, that solve a real problem for your audience, and that you would actually use yourself. Become an expert on those products, create killer content around them, and watch your sales skyrocket. Chapter 5. Not tracking your results. Don't fly blind. Use data to guide you. We've arrived at the 5th and final mistake, and it's a big one: not tracking your results. Look, you wouldn't drive a car with your eyes closed, would you? Of course not. So why would you run your affiliate marketing business without tracking your progress? Tracking your results is crucial for understanding what's working, what's not, and where you need to make adjustments. It's like having a roadmap to success. Without it, you're just wandering around aimlessly, hoping for the best. Your action step for this chapter is to choose at least one tracking tool and start using it today. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of affiliate marketing, data is king. Ready to navigate your way to success? Remember, avoiding these mistakes can set you on the path to affiliate marketing success. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools. Now go out there and crush it. Introducing the MAP, or Master Affiliate Profits program. MAP is not just another tool, it's a movement. It equips you with everything you need to avoid these common pitfalls and sail smoothly towards affiliate marketing success. It's your one-stop shop for everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, from finding your niche to scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond. Click the link in the description below to learn more and join the MAP program. See you in the next video.
Okay, I'm back, and that was a video that I created. It's on the top 5 affiliate marketing mistakes and how you can avoid them with MAP, or Master Affiliate Profits. And there again, there are resources in the description. There's a blog post and more information about MAP. Plus, there's a free report down there. So check out the resources, stay safe, and have a great day.